Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Jackpot Mutation and grow a garden. So basically you'll need to join an admin abuse event, and there will be like this money rain weather. As you can see, there's like money here, and basically you can get the Jackpot mutation. Where is it? I thought it said it's on my Crimson Thorn. Is it on this one? I think it's on one of these. I cannot harvest it yet. Let me see if I can harvest. It said on my pine cone as well, but I don't think it's on this giant one. I think I have to harvest it. Let's see, giant pine cone. Oh, okay, so this is the Jackpot Mutation. That's super cool. There's like Robux, like the logo of it, which I think is pretty neat. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.